Yo, what up, YouTube, man? Ooh, back again with another video, you know what I'm saying? This time, let me get some light, man, because I'm dark skinned over here. This time, we're going to be doing a freaking chassis mount shifter install, you know what I'm saying? Something I've been needing, honestly. This is the PMC Black Edition. I got it in the 350 millimeter, so it's not too tall. And, yeah, we're going to install it on the E36. The only reason I got this brand, the PMC, is because freaking it's like almost half the price of the Garagistic one, and freaking I felt it in Diage's E36, and because he has the same one, but he has the silver one with like the 440 millimeter, like this was like 5 inches taller than mine, and he doesn't have no DSSR, no the little trans joint or none of that, and it felt super solid. Like kind of, I'll insert the clip, you know what I'm saying? It's that PMC shifter. Like you were saying, like kind of like that self-centering thing. It has it. I mean, like, it's like solid, you know what I'm saying? So kind of like, I was like, I'm going with that one, you know what I'm saying? Because the Garagistic, don't get me wrong, it feels good. It's just with everyone that I felt it with had a DSSR. So basically when I get DSSR, this only gets better, you know what I'm saying? So that's why pretty much I went with this one, you know what I'm saying? And it's like half the price, you know, you feel me? But I'm gonna get the car ready. I'm gonna pull the car out. I'm doing the driveway, and my girlfriend will come down to assist me with this because you need someone to like clamp the like plates together on the chassis. And yeah, I'm gonna need an extra hand. So, and she's here. She came today, so look like she's gonna help me. So, further ado, let me get the car jack stands and get up under there and take off all the old stuff. Stay tuned, guys. Hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so basically, this is like how the shifter feels. Stock one. You know what I'm saying? Let me get a good angle for you guys. I don't know. This fifth, reverse. See, like all the slop and yeah, and it doesn't even sit like center, you know? All right, so basically we start by freaking just pulling off this freaking, well, first the knob, and then we start by freaking pulling up this freaking cover with all these clips around, and well enough, you're right. And then we get this, check out this dust cover. Not even in the center. You know, that's in the center. But we're changing that. As of right now, we're gonna install the chassis mount. So jack up the car and basically unbolt this from the trans, this bar from the trans, disconnect this rod right here, and take this out, and then basically just sandwich the chassis mount here and reconnect that rod and go for a test rip. Cool. Okay, so got the OEM shifter out. Basically, it's just this thing that slides. This sits in between the trans. Then this slide in between the trans and this, and then it just clips down. All you have to do is unclip that up, and then slide it out. Then this is free, and then unclip this clip. B-word clip. Well, it wasn't that bad. I just found out I forgot you got the lift in between here to basically unloosen it from the actual selector rod, and then pull it out that bushing in the back. Pull out that bushing in the back and it comes out. And as far as the chassis mount goes, dang, I'm touching it, I'm dirty. F it. It's just like it's gonna sandwich in between the chassis, if that makes sense, with these Allen bolts. Right there into the plate at the bottom, and then basically just connect the selector rod in here, and boom, done. Because you don't need all the extra trans mount, none of that. You don't need that. So you can worry about none of that. So let's install it. All right, so basically got all the bolts out, and then I'm gonna be at the bottom Let me give you a wide angle. Be at the bottom, basically hold this plate up while she feeds me the screws down to thread it onto this plate. And oh shit, I forgot which way. Oh no, it's this way. This way goes to the chassis. I was about to say, I was like, oh shit. But freaking, she's gonna thread me the bolts down as I tighten it up. Well, as she screws them in, and then I'm gonna come up top, torque them down. But I like how it sits, man. It sits perfectly in the little groove. Like, move this. Like, it's perfect. Like, I like it. Not too high either. OEM look still. Jeez. I'm gonna leave you guys up here with her though, because I'm pretty sure it's more interesting seeing her build them bolts than me freaking holding the plate. So.